guys, so we are headed to the track. Test and tune. I got some transmission modifications to try out. I got a new mount location for my camera. We're gonna see how, because it's on quite a long arm, as you guys can see up here. I got it mounted up into the corner of my window, but it comes pretty far back. This way you guys can see everything. You know, you can't really see my tack. I guess I could swing it over a little bit, but here you got a view of my wideband, my mile per hour, and then a nice view out the window as well. I figured this is a kind of a nice mounting position. Something new to try. The mount was like 10 bucks on Amazon. So many mounts available for these GoPros and things, but the only problem with having a mount that the arm sticks out like this is it's shaky. And I'm curious to see what the video is gonna look like with the GoPro, with the ultra smooth. But we're gonna see what the image stabilization is really like on a mount like this, or if it has to really be super hard mounted. Because I'm sure if I like do this, you know, right now I'm tapping the mount and it's shaking pretty bad. We'll see what it does. I also like the camera mounted back here because you guys will hear me better when I talk, because, you know, without the seats in the car, it's amazing what the rear seats do for sound dampening. And without the rear seats, my exhaust is pretty damn loud. So we take the back roads all the way to Palm Beach International Raceway, and it's about, yeah, it's just as quick as taking the highway. It's about a 30-minute drive for me. I also have my window down. Curious how the sound quality is going to be. I did order the microphone adapter for the GoPro. It's super expensive for what it is. Basically USB-C to 3.5mm proprietary adapter, so I can use an external mic, because I have a nice Rode mic I'd like to hook up to this, and I can't because, well, you got to have that proprietary. And you know, that's the one downside to the GoPro cameras, is the external mic application, and these are great for like taking to the track and recording and all that other stuff. But if you want an external mic, you have to buy this $50 adapter, because it has a chip inside the adapter that handshakes with the GoPro, so you can't use any other sort of USB-C to 3.5mm audio jack, which is crazy if you ask me. So I'm curious how much it's going to kill the wind noise. So I'm kind of doing a big audio test here, window down, talking, driving. I'm curious to see like what the footage is going to come out like. I'm going to tap on the mount again. Let's, oh, it just dropped down. Let's push it back up. Oh, it's not. It's the, it's not. It's, I didn't tighten the suction cup. Check the weather. Warning, don't drive and use your phone at the same time. Sorry, kind of have to. I don't want to drive all the way out here, find out this is a giant rain cloud sitting over top of the track. So we're gonna open the weather here and look at the live radar. Okay, Google. Good job, Note 9. Way to listen to me. Okay, Google. Show me weather radar. So it looks like there is one little rain cloud, and it is it looks like it might be right over the track, but you know what, it's a tiny little rain cloud. There's nothing else around it. That little green spot. So I don't, the track actually I think is a little bit is a little bit farther south than that anyway, so but it's right out that way, so it might hit the track. We'll see, but you know what, the track will dry up anyways. You know, they're open pretty late, so I'm gonna keep going. Navigate to Palm Beach International Raceway.
Actually, there's no address for Bernice Bowden Beach.
Funny, Google. Navigate to Palm Beach International Raceway.
Actually, there's no address for Bernice Bowden Beach.
Show me drag strips.
According to Wikipedia, Palm Beach International Raceway is a motorsports facility located west of Jupiter, Florida.
That's not what I asked. Navigate to Palm Beach International Raceway.
Actually, there's no address for Bernice Bowden Beach.
What the? Palm Beach International Raceway?
Showing results for Palm Beach International
Jeez.
Raceway along your route.
Alright. Oh, I'm ridiculous. Here we go. How's it going, man?
Racing?
Yep.
Where'd you get this wrap done at?
It's called Film Authority down in Boca. He's real good, man.
Really?
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah, the carbon fiber has paint protection film on it as well.
Is that real carbon fiber?
Yeah. So.
This is nice, man.
Thank you. Thank you.
Alright, man. Have fun out there.
I will. All right, hit a lot of bugs coming in, so I'll clean my windshield for you guys so you don't have to see all that junk. So now we got to go tech in. So what I'm gonna do is they are going to be busy tonight. Holy crap. They are already jamming. They must have a big event here tomorrow. Well, if anything, we're gonna get some good, we'll have some good cars to watch. I'm gonna pull over up here, fill out my tech card. Man, there are some monster cars here tonight. Woo! Oh, top field too. Jesus. Yeah, so when they do Friday test Intunes, there's probably some sort of event going on tomorrow. Alright guys, so I wanted to get into light so you guys could see this. Basically, this is your tech card. You have to do your driver name, your age, your date of birth, your street address. They want a phone number, your driver's license, NHR, IHR. You know, I don't need to worry about that because it's just test Intune. Estimated ET, if you run a 14-second or faster, you have to have pants and a helmet. And then there's other rules, but I haven't gotten down to the other rules yet. So I have to wear pants and a helmet. I'll put 12 seconds on here. I could put 11.5, it doesn't really matter. Vehicle, year, make, model, engine, color, phone number, emergency contact, all that. And then they'll ask for your driver's license. It's pretty straightforward. All right, guys, so I filled out my paperwork. I'm gonna head down here to Tech-In. It is like insane tonight. I mean, there's top fuel out here. There's, Jesus, this is crazy. I'll be lucky to get 2 runs in tonight, but I'm here. I've paid, so I'm gonna do it. right, we're all teched in. Is this no time or is this radials?
This is no time, but if you want to go ahead. We got a second before we get ready.
Is that is no time going right now?
Yeah, that's what it looks like.
And then is it radials? Because I don't.
Radial 6 and 7.
Okay, so I need to be over there. I'm about to get my butt beat by this Honda Insight. Alright guys, here we go. See if I can flash it here. I forgot, you know, in the rush of getting up there to log, I didn't even set up my log. I'm a moron. God dang it. You know, I got up there and got a run in a lot quicker than I thought I was going to. So, I wasn't sure if. Felt pretty good. Let's see, how's it going, man? Thank you very much. Nice, 11,264, 1757 60 foot. So that, my 60 foot was better. My 60 foot was definitely better. But I fell off on the top end, and that's probably the air. But because I had a slower mile an hour. 1264 at 124. See, I gotta log it, because I gotta find out what happened on the top end. I think I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna apply the new trans tune, and we're gonna go from there. I got a 5.0 right here, blue 5.0. I'm gonna murder him. The jump. Thank you, sir. All right, she felt a little better. 11.23. Dang. All right, that's faster. 11.23, wasn't 11.25, with a slower 60 foot than last time. 7.2 to the 8. Nice. Man, I chased that Mustang down there. Holy crap, that freaking tech line is long. Woo! Nice. Oh man, the car is running so good. 11.2s all day long. Like, anybody that wants to hate on these V6 engines needs to just shut the hell up. Like, I am putting double the power through this engine, this stock engine, and it just doesn't hiccup at all. This car has had so many dyno pulls. It's had, I mean, it hasn't been down the track that much, but you know, maybe 20 times, not even 20 times, but it doesn't matter. And it just drives normal. Oh, it's so fun. I love this car. And it just gets better and better. I mean, I'm getting better and better. But that was a slower 60 foot than last time.